Time series tables grow forever unless you actively manage partition boundaries. In this video you will see how Postgres lets you detach, attach and pre-create partitions with minimal locking, and how PG_Partman automates it. A time series table partitioned by month means a purge is just a detach. No expensive full table scan, no bloat. The trick is to stay ahead of the data by pre-creating partitions and retiring old ones on a schedule. Postgres stores every row in a child table. The parent is purely a routing layer. It holds no data itself. Detaching unlinks a child from that router without touching its rows, and attaching does the reverse with only a brief lock. Querying the catalog shows every registered child, its parent, and its value bounds. This is exactly what the planner reads when it decides which partitions to scan and what PG_Partman inspects before it creates the next one. Detach drops January from the routing table instantly. The rows survive in the standalone table, ready to be archived or dropped at leisure. Then attaching the pre-created April table requires only a short metadata lock, no rows move. The classic PR mistake is creating a partition only after an alert fires. Without a matching child and no default partition, Postgres raises an error for every insert that crosses the boundary. The emergency fix, creating the partition under load, grabs a heavier lock and blocks writers. PG_Partman wraps all of this into two function calls. You register the table once with create_parent, then run _maintenance handles, pre-creation and retirement on every cron tick. No human needs to remember the calendar. In review, ask three things. Is there a scheduler pre-creating partitions? Is old data retired with detach rather than delete? And is the new partition attached from a pre-existing table rather than created hot? Any no is a bug.